Want to know how to see your friends or check your friends profile or just simply see friends in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So this is simply the main menu. So once you're under this main menu, you should be provided with various navigation bars, interfaces, and much more. So seeing your friends or your friend's profile is super simple. So what you need to do is on top right side you should be seeing your notification right here, and right below notifications you should be seeing this friend icon which shows the amount of friends you have right now in game. So currently it's 0 for me, so you can just simply select it. If you have friends, it should show accordingly to the number of friends that you have. So you can just simply see the number of players online. You can just simply search for a player right here, and you can also see players like anonymous players that you can just simply add or see their profile just like this right here. And that's it. Your request has been sent just like this and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.